Alrighty, today we're going to draw a Christmas Jumbp Josh, alright? From the Garten of Banban. Easy, simple stuff for beginners. Let's jump into it, okay? I'm going to go right here and I'm going to curve around the corner here, kind of like a parentheses sign for one side of Jumbp Josh's head. Curve in. And I'm going to connect these two right now. So, more or less flat, you know, whatever. Whatever works. I'm going to go over here. Now I'm going to start right off the bat with the hat going on. And I'm going to make this hat a little billowy. Alright? A little billowy. And then we're going to put that straight across. 1 second. I'm going to blow my nose a little bit. Sorry. Sorry, I have a cold. Forgive me, guys. I'm still doing this because it's fun to do. All right, please give me a like if because I'm doing this with a cold. It would help. It really would. Not the cold, but up over here. Curve down. Over here now we're gonna do the folded portion of the hat, and then we're gonna draw the line right here to the tip of the hat. Let me put that down a little bit. There we go. Alright, now we're going to go over here and draw that little, that ball at the end. Curve. Curve. Now I'm going to pull out. And pull out. Curve underneath. Pull up. Currently pull up. You get the edge of the hands right there. So far so good. Alright. We're going to go right here and draw his thumb right there. Just a thumb is real simple. And we're going to go up. And so the arm's going to get smaller as it gets closer to the body. More near to the body. Alrighty. Pull down. Pull down. Down over here, curve, line right there, curve, another small curve right there. It's kind of almost like he has like one big toe or something. It's kind of bizarre. Line about here for the bottom of the waist. Pull down, pull down. Alright, so far so good. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pull a line across, kind of around the middle for his mouth. Sorry, can you guys hear that? It's some little buzzing. Sorry. Curve up. Don't forget, by the way, there's a lot of cool stuff in the description. I put a lot of resources in the description for you guys to check out. It's free. They're very, very good. There's playlists there, and it's something you can kind of learn more than just today's drawing. It's really good for you. I strongly suggest you go to the comment section and do that, okay? Comment section. That too, though. But check out the pinned comment to this video as well. I'm going to go right here. Curve, curve, curve. For the teeth. Alright, we're going to keep following it all the way across. Right here, curve, 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 as many as it takes. Let's go to the bottom now. Curve, 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 right there, right? Covering as much as we can. So you can see they're like U shapes on the top, and on the bottom they're like these little gravestone shapes, or the N shape or something, right? Like it looks like the letter N, the small lowercase n. Alright, let's keep pushing in there. Alright, let's go over here. We're going to fill in the dark right here in the back. Don't forget, by the way, I'm going to post throughout the season. This is a Halloween and a Christmas channel. I'm definitely going to post stuff on Easter as well. So definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, because it's one of those things that comes up, you know, later in the year, especially Halloween. It starts rolling in, and you're gonna really wish you had subscribed, because you're gonna forget about it, and there's a lot of cool stuff that comes up. But I want to thank you very much. Also, I'm going to put my Amazon wish list if anybody wants to give me anything for Christmas. All of it's art-related stuff, so go check that out. I don't know where I put that. You know, I don't know if I put it in the description or not, to be honest. But If you want a tip or anything like that, if you find what I do here really, worth it, absolutely go, go get me something from Amazon or what do you call that? Do that little tip jar thing over there. All right, I'm gonna go over here now. Circle, and then we're gonna put a really large space. It's gonna be a very big gap between one side to the other. Right there. Sorry about that noise. Forgive me, guys. And I don't know if you can hear that. Let me know if you can hear that. Can you comment and tell me if you can hear that noise? Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw another circle. He's looking really, really weird. And then I'm going to fill it in, okay? I'm going to fill in the darks of the eyes to get that really creepy shape, all right? Right on. So, looks pretty good. If you want something that's kind of Christmassy around him, maybe you can draw like a present over here. Right? Maybe like a present falling from the sky. All right, maybe right there. And then maybe like a bow right here. Draw a line right there for the wrapping. Just kind of a quick little thing. It's good to do that because it kind of expands your drawing and the universe around, kind of like the little slight backstory that your drawing has. It's good to kind of throw that in extra because it does kind of help everything. So, think about that. It's good to do that. If you want, maybe you can draw like a thicker line where it's facing downward. All right. A little bit of a thicker line, but that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to share this video as a thank you as well. Share the video if you can. If you can't, I understand fully, but please consider sharing it. And the other thing is I want you to stay here. I want you to stay, and we're going to do another video together, okay? The more drawing videos you do, the better you get. Let me do this a little bit thicker. A little bit thicker line. The more drawing videos you do, the better you get. And so, like, it's kind of fun to do that because these are so short. These are like, what, 7 minutes? Something like that. And you can improve a lot in one day. But stick around. Let's do another video together, okay? Let's get started on it right about now. All right. And if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.